can see is the many the handprint. Pamper and Bro, they are the ham better your dog is made to the 100% natural ham. It's safe and eco-friendly with the dog. When you dog the children and play with this, the ham made the pond in make it a handmade by the worker. Pamper with the children and play with the dog. It helps the dog eat the cleanity either naturally. I think you try to the ham pond and ham circle for your dog.